So how can social media affect a personal injury case? We always tell people to be very cautious about posting anything on social media because obviously the other side can get it and try to exploit it. But the thing that I always tell people is I think too often they focus on the event itself. So what I mean by that is they're in a car accident. So I won't post on my social media that I was in a car accident, but 99% of the time, that's not what gets people in trouble in terms of social media. It's actually posting on social media a year later. Let's say they had an injury and they're having a difficult time, and maybe one day they're feeling good, and so they go on a bike ride or they go on a run or they do some sort of physical activity and they post about it on Instagram. And then that night, they're feeling pain. They realize they tried to do too much and they really shouldn't have done that activity. Problem is, no one will see that on Instagram. All they're going to see on Instagram is you riding your bike down the street. And the insurance company will take that and they'll say, look, here's a person who's a picture of health. They are riding their bicycle, they have no limitations whatsoever. Problem with those sort of photographs is they don't convey oftentimes a full picture, but they will convey a particular idea that the insurance company is trying to exploit. So we tell people if you're involved in a personal injury case, it's really best not to post on social media at all if you can avoid it. But you have to really be conscious of how anything that you put on social media could be twisted by the other side to make you appear different than what the reality